Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. As you probably saw from the thumbnail, today we're diving into how to create the perfect CC for any video. I know a lot of beginner editors struggle with this, so if you're trying to level up and go full pro, hit that subscribe button. Check out this CC, Total Beginner Vibes. Now look at this one. It's made by someone who really knows how to match the CC with the video. If you want your edits to stand out and look clean and professional, this video's for you. So, yeah, you. Don't skip it. Stick around and let's crush this together.